Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner Reading D. Alright, 我们今天要讲的部分这一篇叫做 Hippos Hiccups。OK， 所以 hiccup 是就是打嗝的意思 ，hiccups。好，那我们今天的学习目标呢是以这个 hippo 为主角，然后他 had hiccups， 他打嗝了，看他怎么解决这个问题呢？好，那打嗝刚开始的时候呢，他试了很多方式，但是呢 ，that did not work。OK， 那我们来看看他怎么样解决他的 hiccups 的问题。Hiccup said hippo. Hippo had the hiccups. His friends came to help. 所以所有的朋友都来帮忙他了，他一直 hiccups. Drink water, said giraffe. But that did not work. Hiccup, said hippo. 没有办法。Spin around, said zebra. Zebra 就告诉他说，spin around. But that did not work. Hiccup, said hippo. Stand on your head, said monkey. Monkey 说 stand on your head. But that did not work. Hiccup, said hippo. Roar, said lion. That did work. 真的奏效了OK. Lion scared hippo. 吓到他了。So no more hiccups. 所以呢就没有 hiccups 的。Thank you, said hippo. Now, can you help me to stop shaking? 现在呢，他全身一直在发抖，因为刚被那个 lion 吓到了，所以他说 Now, can you help me to stop shaking? 好，以上呢是我们 hippo 的 hiccups 的故事。好 ，OK, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.